Here is a Cozyla TV tablet review. Cozyla is actually can be shopped on different online shops that you have. It has different variations. So you can go to the amazon.com so that you can search for the online shop or different online shops that you can actually go ahead and suggest to. Afterwards, you can now go ahead and see there the Cozimate. It has a 32-inch portable TV stand. It has will support Google Store full swivel rotation. As you can see, on the Philippine pesos, it costs 55,000 pesos plus. Screen size is 32 inches and it is also LCD and has a 1080p resolution. So if you're looking for a cozy tablet TV that you can use to your kitchen, to your island table, or that you can brought off the different part of your house, then Cozyla TV tablet is the best one for you. Again, this can be purchased in any online shops that is available on your country.